Pagkain today ay chicken chupan soup. Ayan, chicken chupan soup. Oops, very moist. Then meron tayong lamb makbus kuwati. Check. Oh, very delicious. Then this one, dakus sauce. Duck sauce. Then this one is fisherman pie. Yes, fisherman pie. Then this one is kalup potato with onion. Yan. Then potato and cauliflower roasted. Rice, steam and spice chicken. Wow. Okay, then Punjabi dal fry. Punjabi dal fry. Then this one salad. Beetroot hummus, patush, Moroccan bulgur, and potato and cucumber, olive, banana.